My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. And it'll be right next to me. I'm in a different, I move the camera. So usually I'd be like facing this way. I'd be like facing this way, and I'd be like, it's over there. So, but I'm facing this way, so I don't know if it's over there. I don't know, but it's up there on the screen. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. All right, so we back. And I said we back because this is literally my first sneaker review in over a month. I did not buy a single sneaker in July. So only the second time in the last 6 years that I have not bought at least one shoe in a month. I don't think I bought a shoe in January. It was either January or February, but I think it's January. I didn't buy a shoe. And that was the first time in 6 years I never bought at least one shoe. And this is the second time. So, I mean, I'm doing good. Trying to spend some, I'm trying to save some money. I got 2 trips back to back coming up. Well, 3 trips actually, but 2 trips are like back to back. Next week I'm in Hawaii for 4 days, and then the following week I'm in Miami for 4 days, and then in September I am in Houston and New Orleans. So I'm just I gotta get this money right. It's not, the one thing about traveling is not about the plane tickets. It's not about that. It's about the hotels. Like, and car rentals has been pretty expensive these days too, but it's just about the hotels. Paying for the hotel is what really gets it. And I don't really be having people that I can, like, for one, if I did know people in these cities, which I do, but not well enough to stay with them, I still wouldn't stay with them. I like to have my own comfortability. But anyway, enough talking. Sneaker pickup. It is Tuesday, July the 6th. Yep, July the 6th. I mean, I said July. August the 6th, excuse me. And we got a pickup right here. Foot Locker, shout out to Foot Locker. As you can tell, there's no classic. If you used to my videos, I even have classic holding my camera. It is Tuesday. Another thing, if you used to my videos, you know that classic goes with his mother and his brother on Tuesdays. So it's just me, so y'all bear with me. I'm trying to remember. I always forget to do this, but I want to show y'all like my shoes that I wear the day of my pickup. And the reason why I be forgetting is sometimes I just wear my slides. I go comfortable. Today I got on some Romero 5s. I'm just gonna take them off because, like I said, classic will usually pan them down. But I got some Romero 5s. I love these shoes, and I did something different today. I mixed them up. So this is not this is not how the shoes come. These are 2 separate shoes, but I wore them like this. I like mixed match shoes. So like, got the pink ones. I really like these. The blue ones are cool, but like in light, they look good right now. You see how they look blue, but like in light, like outside, that blue looks like it's just white. You feel me? So you can't really tell that it's blue. But these are the shoes that I'm wearing today. This is my first time wearing these, so, you know, wore to work. But yeah, Romero 5s, very, very comfortable shoe. Love that shoe. And last week, I picked up these from Shoe Palace. Shout out to Shoe Palace. I don't have my, oh, they're in the car. My Yeezy slides, the brown ones, they just dirty as hell. So Shoe Palace restocked, so I picked me up some slides. This is not the regular brown. This is like, yep. It's like a caramel brown, whatever like that. So I waited for the blue ones to drop though. I really, really want the blue ones. They're gonna drop. Adidas is just trying to get rid of that Yeezy stuff. That's all it is. They're just trying to get rid of that Yeezy stuff. But all right, that's it. Gotta receive the bag. Okay, all right, let's get to the main event, which y'all came here to see. And that's these right here. So let's get straight to it. Boom, you see the box. You see the logo. These are Kobe's. Let's get it. I lost track of these. I remember seeing them online, but I didn't know exactly when they was going to drop. And it's a Tuesday. I'm getting information ready. I should have did this before I even cut on the camera, but let me see. Night Kobe. Okay, just trying to get the information, so when I give you this information, we can get go straight into it. What website I'm gonna go to? Let's go to House E. We do House E. All right, so that's ready. All right, so a little backstory about this is I was not able to secure my pair because it was last minute. Like I said, I lost track when these dropped. So I had a size 12. I went to Cool Kicks. Shout out to Cool Kicks. That's on down there Melrose in California, and they size swap sometimes. Not sometimes. They most of the time they do size swap. I don't think it's never time. I went there 3 times for 3 size swaps, and they never said no. They usually charge you like $30, $40, something like that if you want a size swap. I think because I needed a size 9, and I was given a 12, and I think 12 is more money. They didn't charge me nothing. It also could have been because my boy Jonathan, shout out to Jonathan, he worked down there. So I don't know. So yeah, little backstory about me actually getting my pair because I'm not a reseller. I actually wanted the shoe. So all right, let's read it. It's, all black box, nothing special. Got the scales right there. You can see the scales right there. Logo right there. Signature right there. All right, reads Kobe 4 Protro. Color is white, dark, obsidian. Suggested retail price, I think was $190. I'll give it to you when I get the information. But this is a size 9 because Kobe's running kind of snub, so I go up half a size. So size 9. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. All right, boom. All right. Without further ado, oh, these just looks fire. Wow. Wait till I show you this too. Wait till I show you this. All right, so without further ado, can y'all see that? Maybe if I put it right there, you can see it. Cause I gotta get a good thumbnail. You can't see it like that. Gotta put my pillow behind it so it can stay up. Y'all can see that, right? Let me turn it this. Boom, we get like that. Don't mind my Wendy's bag. I had to give me some food. All right, yeah, that's good. So without further ado, we got the Nike Kobe 4 Protro Gold metal. You can't even see the back. It is what it is. Boom. All right. I switched shoes so you can see the box. When I had the right shoe, it was blocking the bike. It was like this. You couldn't see it. And then I had to back up a little bit. So maybe that might be my thumbnail. It might not be my thumbnail. All right. But anyway, we got the Kobe 4 Protro gold medal. The reason when I was like, wow, when I remember before the break, I opened the box. I was like, wow. That's because let's go back to the original one. And I thought these came with extra laces. I'm probably not. The reason I said wow was because look at this price right here. They still got the sticker on there from Cool Kicks. Once again, shout out to Cool Kicks, but $350. Day of release, $350. Hey, them resale stores yeah, I guess you can say charge them. I was about to say another word. They be really damn it. I got the word on the tip of my tongue. Just can't. Whatever. They be charged. They be taxing. Thank you. I'm all over the place. Anyway, we got some information off of houseofheat.com. Shout out houseofheat.com. It should be right there. Like, it's gonna be up on the screen. Again, I don't know. Like, it's a different angle I do it. My videos is, so it might be right there. It might be right there. But it's gonna be up on the screen if you want to read along. Got to turn on the screen record. You gotta do that. So it'll be up right now, and let's get to it. Oh, retail price is $190. I think I said that too. I was alluding to $190, but okay, let's get down. It says, as fans and athletes alike look forward to Olympic basketball triumphant return at the 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris, Nike basketball is set to commemorate the occasion with the reissue of a classic, the Nike Kobe 4 gold medal in its updated Protro form. This anticipated release celebrates past victories with future conquests, aligning with the world's most prestigious global sporting event set from July 27 to August 11, 2024. Among several special edition colorways, the gold medal Kobe 4 holds a significant place in reflecting momentous, I said that completely wrong, momentous period of basketball history and the spirit of one of the sport's greatest legends. Embracing its original glory, the sneaker features a color scheme of white, dark obsidian, varsity red, and metallic gold. Staying true to its 2009 roots, what catches the eye is the metallic gold that graces the toe and heel, this time boosting a distinctive snakeskin texture as a nod to Kobe's Black Mamba persona. The dark obsidian elegantly swats the swoosh logos, liner, and mesh tongues, complemented by additional gold on the Kobe Shield logo. Every detail is a tribute from bronze Olympics number 10 on the heels to his unmissable signature on the sides. The sneaker technically expects having been overlooked either way, with white panels by obsidian fly wire. Assuring both style and performance, the insoles presents a subtle homage adorned with Olympic medals and a memorabilia date 8/24/08, likely referring to Kobe's Beijing Olympics triumph. Wow, and here's some pictures. That was a lot. I mean, that was a lot of information. I mean, I like it like that, though. That's how it's supposed to be. Give you some more pictures. You know, I got the shoe right here, so before I give it to y'all. Okay, boom, boom. I think that's it. Okay, there's some close-ups. And I mean, oh, I like that. I'm glad to show the insole because y'all wasn't really going to see the insole like that. But as you see, the insole got is all that obsidian blue with the Olympic gold medal around it. Boom. All right, that's enough of that. All right, stop. All right, boom. So, dope shoe, dope shoe, dope shoe. Got the number 10, Kobe's Olympic number right there, signature right there. Got the fly wire on the side. You see the colors. I love these laces. I love these laces. I just love these laces, bro. I love it. That's when I first saw them. I was like, yo, I like these laces. That's what's really gonna get me. But yeah, you see the bottom right there, boom, with that crazy price tag from Cool Kicks. I did not pay that. I did not pay that. I paid retail price, people. I got my receipt with my email, but I paid retail. I think it came like 208, 209, something like that with tax. So I did not pay $350. I was not gonna pay $350. Every Kobe that has dropped this year, I have got except for the camos, and that's because they was a Nike exclusive. I don't camp. I'm not paying resale. I'm not saying I won't pay resale. It got to be a shoe I really, really want. And I'm really past those days where I need to buy every single shoe. Now it's to the point where if I can't get it, I can't get it. So that's my cat in the background. That's my cat. That means it's time to wrap the video up. Anyway, let me know what y'all think about the Air Jordan 4 Air Jordan. I said Air Jordan. I'm sorry. I said twice too, like 3 times. The Nike Air Kobe. The Nike Kobe 4 Protro gold medal. Let me know if this is a copper drop. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tunic, figure Sneakerhead, representing Tunes Kicks. I know y'all can't see, but representing Tunes Kicks and the whole Tunes Squad. You know what to do. Ha! Have a nice day. Hold up. Should I do a thumbnail with this? Like, hold up. Let's see. There we go. Thumbnail. Have a nice day.